Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mango salad dressing. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe mango, peeled and diced, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Grab 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. A pinch of salt and pepper will round out the flavors perfectly. This easy method ensures a delicious result every time. Now, let's get blending. Add your diced mango, lime juice, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides a couple of times to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. This process takes just a minute or two, transforming your ingredients into a vibrant, luscious dressing. Once blended, it's time to perfect the flavor. Pour a small amount into a spoon and give it a taste. Does it need more tang? Add a little extra lime juice. Prefer it sweeter? Stir and a touch more honey. If the dressing is too thick, you can thin it out with a teaspoon of water until it reaches your desired consistency. Adjusting now ensures your dressing is just right for your palate. Your delicious mango salad dressing is now ready. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Remember to give it a good shake before each use, as the natural ingredients might separate slightly. This versatile dressing is fantastic on green salads, as a marinade for grilled chicken, or drizzled over fresh fish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.